That's the attitude. You can sell anything. Sell me
anything.
this fucking pen right here. You can sell anything, sell that.
Go ahead.
Sell me that pen.
Can I finish eating first? I ain't eating today.
Brad, show him how it's done. Boom. Sell me that pen. Watch. Go on.
Let me sell this fucking pen.
That's my boy right there.
This pen.
Fucking sell anything.
Why don't you do me a favor? Why'd you name down that napkin for me?
I don't have a pen.
Exactly. Supply and demand, my friend.
You know what I'm saying? He's creating urgency. You get them to want to buy the stuff. Convince them it's something that they need. You know what I mean?
Motherfucker I have ever met. So I want you right now to give a warm Auckland, New Zealand welcome for my good friend and the world's greatest sales trainer, Mr. Jordan Belfort.
Thank you.
Sell me this pen.
It's a amazing pen. For professionals.
Sell me this pen.
Well, it's a nice pen. You can use the pen to write down thoughts from your life so you can remember.
Sell me this pen.
Well, this pen works, and I personally love this pen.